Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats, and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome Afrobeat for Burna Boy. So if you're interested in the sounds which I'm using, make sure to check out my African sample pack, the link is in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to set the tempo to 105, and this beat will be created in E major. So just let's start off with stage 73, 5. And I'm going to use this attacked preset, this one. So these are the chords which I've just played. But just one octave lower. And I've played around with the velocity. And right now I'm going to use the ample guitar L and just create a melody on top of this one. So I think I'm using this elegant westerly preset. This one. And I'm just going to copy my chord progression into this one right here. And I'm going to make some small adjustments to this one right here. So I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to make the notes shorter. I'm going to select 1/4 step. Should be something like this. So I think I'm going to add this G sharp right here. So we use this one right here. And there should be an F sharp in between. That's really awesome. Maybe just make it more offbeat. So just add this F sharp right here. That's fire, that's fire. And we use an A flat right here. So we should be able to use one right here. So I've made some more adjustments to this guitar melody, and right now it sounds like this. So I think this one could be easily used in the beginning of the beat, for example, just as an intro. So I'm going to add another ample guitar. So I'm going to use the ample guitar SH. And I'm going to use this Misty preset, this one. So I'm going to start off with a melody right here. So I'm going to just use a really simple pattern. I'll maybe just turn this one up. That sounds fire. So maybe just duplicate this one. And we're using this F sharp right here, and I think an E flat right here. Yeah, that's really awesome. So I've adjusted the length of the notes a little bit, and it's just really simple. As you can see, it's just really simple, but I think those elements go perfect together. So maybe add some more swing. So I'm gonna add 25% of swing. And right now we're gonna add some low frequencies. So in this case, I'm gonna also use an ample guitar A. So I'm using this melody preset, and I've just created this really awesome bass line. It's just using the same notes as the melody right here. So the E flat and the F sharp. I think this one is really wavy. So I think I finished all the melodies, and right now I'm gonna add the drums. So I think this beat is one of my favorite beats yet. So it's just really awesome. And as you can see, I've already added all the elements and created an arrangement, but I'm going to guide you through all the elements. So I've put together all the elements right here. And this is just a melody which I've already created. So I've used nothing on the guitar. On this one, I've used some EQ. So the ample guitar L, this one. I've cut out some low frequencies to make it more clear when it's just in front of the beat. Then I've used this RC20 Divine 1 preset. the OTT multiband compressor, and some reverb, which I think just adds some really awesome vibe to this one. So right now it sounds way too dry, and this just adds some more room to the synth. Then this one, so I've added a compressor on the chords, and cut out the low frequencies and cut off some of the high frequencies. Then the guitar SH is coming in. So there is nothing on this one. Just adjusted the volume a little bit. Then the ample bass A, this one. And I've just cut out the high frequencies and just reduce the frequency right here, which I don't like. So that's it. And after that, I'm gonna start adding the drums. So first this one. And the whole time I'm just using this pattern. So I've played around with the velocity right here. I've just randomized this one. Added another element. Another one. As you can see, I'm just using the same pattern. This wood sound right here. Another pattern. And I've pitched this one up 1 octave, as you can see. Then this tambourine. Then another rhythm. This one adds some more low frequencies. Then this bell right here. Then the shaker loop. Just a really simple shaker loop. Then I've added some more toms. Layer it with another tom. Then I've added some rolls right here. Just a really simple pattern. This one. So I'm gonna solo this one right here. So first I'm using this one. Then another tom. Another element. Just a low tom. And then this snare. And as you can see, I've linked all these elements to this mixer bus and just added a lot of reverb. And finally, the kick. Just this simple pattern. A kick which doesn't contain a lot of low frequencies. And right here, the guitar is coming in. So I've made an adjustment to the guitar melody right here. I've added some notes right here. Right here. I cut out the notes right here. So right now I'm gonna play the arrangement. I've added a shaker loop right here. This one from my sample pack, so make sure to check it out. And right here, the other guitar melodies coming in, or melodies. And that's basically it when it comes to this beat. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to download the free FLP. The link will be in the description, including all the samples. So make sure to check it out. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to let me know what you want to see in one of my next tutorials. So if you have any requests, make sure to drop them down below, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.